Welcome to our educational YouTube channel Bhuvna Tech. In the previous class, I taught you the first lesson of class 7 integer and some part of that chapter I already completed and just a few things remained. So now I am going to teach you all the things. Up to fourth bit I have completed. Which statement is correct or incorrect. Now fifth bit is for subtraction we add additive inverse of the integer that is being subtract to the other integer. We know subtraction is a process which is the opposite of addition. Which is the opposite of addition. At the time of subtraction, what do we do? Suppose 2 plus minus 2, what we get? We get 0. 4 plus minus 4, that time we get what? 0. So in this way, this statement is purely correct. Suppose 4 plus minus 2. We can convert 4 into 2 plus 2 plus minus 2. This both become 0 and answer will be 2. Like this is the other integer. At the time of this process, we can get a integer. This statement is purely correct. जब हम सब्सट्रैक्शन करते हैं तो we add the additive inverse. हमारा जो additive inverse है उसको ऐड करते हैं किसी तरह से. देखो 2 plus minus 2. additive inverse means आप लोगों को मैंने बोला था क्या कि जो 2 है 2 का एडिटिव इनवर्स है -2, 4 का एडिटिव इनवर्स है -4, -8 का एडिटिव इनवर्स कितना होगा +8. प्लस का इस जो नंबर है इस नंबर का अगर यहाँ पे प्लस है तो यहाँ पे माइनस आएगा, यहाँ पे माइनस है तो यहाँ पे प्लस आएगा. इसी तरह का एडिटिव इनवर्स हम बनाते हैं. यहाँ पे मैंने अगर a लिखा तो एडिटिव इनवर्स आएगा -a. यहाँ पे अगर -p लिखा तो उसका एडिटिव इनवर्स आएगा क्या आएगा p + p. तो उसी तरह का एडिटिव इनवर्स जब हम कोई भी सब्सट्रैक्शन करते हैं तो एडिटिव इनवर्स को ही लेके करते हैं और उसी के सहारे भी हमारा सब्सट्रैक्शन होता है. नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज -10 plus 3 is equal to 10 minus 3. Is it correct? If correct, how? Now we have to test. First statement is half of this statement, that is LHS statement is -10 plus 3. We can take it in number 0. -10 will be on this side 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So here will be -10. So first find out -10 here to here, okay, then plus 3 1 2 3, because it will go minus means it will go to left side, left, and plus means right side. So answer will be what? Now there is 9 8 7, everyone is minus 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. Okay, so answer is minus Answer is minus 7. Now come to this part. According, okay, another line 0. This is plus, this is plus, 10 is plus here, so take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So now look at, already take 10. Now minus 3. Minus means this will go from here to here up to right, because it is positive, here is negative. So 1 2 3 here. So the number is how much? 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Now we can easily say, we can find out which one is, both are equal. 7 and minus 7 are equal or not? You can say easily both are not equal, because minus 7 means that is in a negative integer, plus 7 is a positive integer. So this statement is wrong. This statement is wrong. Next question is question number 7. 8 plus minus 7 minus 4 is equal to 8 plus 7 minus 4. Is correct or incorrect? We have to find out. First come to LHS. 8 plus minus 7 minus 4 is equal to how much? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I wrote here 10. 1 2 3 4 5 11 12 13 14 15 16 15 17 18 19 20 20. And here take another 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Like this. This is a number. This is a number line. So first number is 8. Here 2 8 place, yes, here this is 8th place. Okay. Now plus minus 7 plus minus 7. Minus means again go to 8 and come to left. Here left how much? 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here means this is 1. This is 1. 10 minus 7. Then again from here another 4 minus 4. Minus means go to left. Again minus 4. Left again turn to left means it is 2 minus and a minus means that is plus. So 1 2 3 4 5. This is the answer. So answer will be plus 5. So answer will be plus 5. Now come to the right hand side. This is left hand side completed. Answer is 5. Right hand side 8 plus 7 minus 4. Number line make 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 like this. Okay. First how much? 8. 8 positive, so go to direct 8 plus here, then plus 7, then go to here. Now here 8 plus, then 7 plus, then here is minus. If this is from to right hand side and minus means to left hand side. How much? 4 number. 1, 2, 3, 4. See here to here. Right. So here is 11. So answer is how much? 11 is answer. Now easily we can say, is 11 equal to 5? Yes or no? No, 11 is not equal to 5. That's why this is also wrong. Now come to next question. Now negative number plus negative number is equal to negative number. You have to make a 5 or 4 example. Like 4 minus 4 minus 3 is equal to how much? Minus 7. Minus 8 minus 2 is equal to minus 10. Minus 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 8. Here one thing, if two minus means if two numbers are minus, अगर दोनों माइनस में हैं तो हम क्या करेंगे? उस वक्त हम क्या करेंगे कि इन दोनों नंबर को मिला लेंगे. We add the both number and put the sign of minus. हम क्या करेंगे कि माइनस साइन पुट कर लेंगे और दोनों नंबर को मिला के लिख लेंगे. यहाँ पे जस्ट आई डिड द सेम थिंग. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. दोनों का सिंबल क्या है? माइनस है तो माइनस कर जाए. इस साइड देखो 4 plus 3 is equal to how much? 7. इसका मतलब है if the sign is same then the number will be add themselves and put the same sign here. Same sign means both are negative, so answer will come in negative. If two numbers are in similar sign, the answer will come in that sign. Here is also plus plus, here is plus, here minus minus, here is minus, like this. Suppose here 8 plus 2, we know plus sign, here will plus sign. No need of putting a plus sign. Is we have to do all type of subtraction and addition in this way. Another things I want to tell you, that is negative number plus positive number. Then what will be its answer? It will be positive or negative. It will be positive or negative. It depends upon the numbers. We know that negative plus negative answer will become negative. Positive plus positive answer will become positive. Like this. Negative number plus negative number, answer will become negative number. Positive number plus positive number, answer will become positive number. But we can't say like this, negative number plus positive number, answer will be what? We can't say like this, because it depends upon the numbers. How much big or small is the number? When the negative number is big or very small and a positive number is big, how much? Like the size of negative is big. Always a negative number is small in comparison to positive number. Suppose I will write here minus 29 plus 2. Here which number is bigger? Which is bigger? 2 is actually bigger. This is small. But we should leave the sign. वी शुड लीव द साइन, फर्स्ट वी थिंक अबाउट द नंबर्स, हमको पहले नंबर के बारे में सोचना है। देखेंगे जिसका नंबर बड़ा है, नेगेटिव या पॉजिटिव को छोड़ के, तो उसी का साइन आंसर में आएगा, उसी का साइन आंसर में आएगा। इट मीन्स इफ व्हिच नंबर इज ग्रेटर बाय लिविंग द साइन, साइन को छोड़ के जो नंबर बड़ा रहा उसी का साइन हम इधर लिखेंगे पहले। इसके बाद में क्या करेंगे कि पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव दो है तो इसलिए हम माइनस करेंगे, किससे किसको, यहाँ पे मैं 29 माइनस 2 कर लूंगा तो आंसर आएगा 27, 27 आया तो 27 को यहाँ पे लिखूंगा तो आंसर आएगा कितना कि -27। उसको अच्छे से समझ लो। सपोज तो आपने आपको आपके फ्रेंड से 29 रुपीज उधार लिया था, तो आपने उसको 2 रुपीज वापस कर दिया, आप और उसको कितने अभी भी चुकाना है, हाउ मच, -29, ये का यानी कि 29 रुपीज अभी भी उसका बाकी रहा आपके ऊपर। सो इसीलिए ये यहाँ पे 27 हुआ। ओके, तो द साइन it depends upon the numbers, it depends upon the numbers, this sign depend upon the numbers. Another example, suppose 29 is -2 plus -2, then answer will become what, 27. Here जो दो नंबर था, टू नंबर, कंपेयर बिटवीन टू नंबर्स 29 and 2, 29 is bigger than 2, so sign of 29 is plus. Here I put plus, but I didn't, because there is no necessity of putting a plus before a number, so 27 is the answer, so 27 is the answer. इसी तरह से हम सारे प्लस माइनस ही करेंगे, उसमें से हमको कोई घबराहट आना नहीं चाहिए, कोई तकलीफ नहीं आना चाहिए। तो सारे जितने सारे मैथ्स आएगा इस सेम फॉर्मूले में हो जाएगा। इन दिस वे वी कैन सॉल्व देम इजीली। इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर लेसन। इफ यू आर appreciative with our teaching, then you can subscribe, share and put comment in your comment box and try to share it. If you will share, then your friends can see, they can improve and they can get also knowledge from our side. Thanks a lot.